Coffee and Cars, Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. 1st of February 2020. Some really nice little step noses here. It's a friend of mine's, very original, duck egg blue, beautiful. This GTV here is mine. This is what our project car is going to end up looking like. This has got this is a 1967, 66 GTV, 1600 originally. However, we've put the 2-litre motor in it. We've put the dual brake cylinders, braking system into it. Currently running it on Weber's. We've got the original wiring fuse box in it. Redid the trim inside in leather and diamond stitching. Recovered the dash. As you can see, generates a fair bit of interest.
I just kind of think that size one is like the holy grail of and not only just for the way they work.
This car's been painted in Alfa Romeo 501, and we used Glazerit as the paint. It's just a 2-pack paint, block sanded down and buffed, no clear over it, so kept it fairly sort of standard. Some things that we've put in: new radiator, we've put a thermostatic fan in, used a thermostatic switch from Alfaholics. A lot of the components that you see in here were bought new out of Classic Alfa. Things that aren't original, brake pots that we put in, had to use those because we were struggling for space. Put some Ram air horns in to help. But this is the engine that's going to eventually come out of this car, and we're going to rebuild it and put a speaker fuel injection system on it for something a little bit different. So, as you can see, quite a bit of interest here for Coffee and Cars. Fantastic array of different vehicles, lots of Alfas, lots of old Aston Martins, Porsches, Ferraris, and you can see early in the mornings everyone turns up, brings their cars, has a coffee, looks at everyone's cars and enjoys the day.